Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lage Raho. In the last class we have solved question number 3. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Find the distance between the lines vector r is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda into 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap and vector r is equal to 3I cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap plus mu into 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. This is our question, dear students. We have to find the distance between the two lines. Two lines I will write, you know that these are given in vector equation only. So now two lines can be written as vector a1 into lambda vector b1. So vector r is equal to a2 plus mu b2. Second line, this is second vector equation, dear students, you can say. So vector a1 is what? You compare with this. First line is what? a1 plus lambda b1. a1 is what? You compare this. a1 is, here a1 is what? a1 is I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap. And what is a2, dear students? Compare. So lambda into b1 is there. First we will compare a1 plus lambda into b1. a1 we got, lambda into b1. b1 you see, b1 is what? 2I cap. So here b1 and b2 are same only. When b1 and b2 are same means we have to apply what? These lines are said to be what? Parallel lines, dear students. Lines are what? Parallel. So if these lines are parallel means we have another formula, not before one, which we have solved in previous class. So this is the only one question which is having parallel lines. So no other questions are there, only one question it is having. So with parallel lines. So here b1 and b2 are same means just you have to write what? Vector b. So b1 and b2 are same means you have to write vector b, that is 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. And what is the magnitude of vector b? So why I am finding, you will understand, because this is there in our formula. So magnitude of vector b is x square means 2 square, y square means 3 square you can write, z means 6, z square means 6 square. How much you will get? 4 plus 9 plus 36. So this will give answer as square root 49. Square root 49 is nothing but 7. This is your magnitude of vector b, dear students, 7. Got it? So then you compare with second now equation. a2 plus mu b2. a2 is what? a2 plus mu b2. So a2 is given here. That is 3I cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap, dear students. So this is your a2. So subtract them. a2 minus a1. Why I am doing this also? This is also there in our formula, dear students. So a2 minus a1. So that's why we are doing a2 minus a1 means 3 minus 1. That is 2I cap. 3 minus 2. See, a2 minus a1. Minus plus will become minus here. 3 minus 2 is plus j cap. Minus 5, minus will become plus. Minus 5 plus 4, that is minus k cap, dear students. I hope you understood. So we have a formula, I told you, distance between two parallel lines. How to find is, this is the formula, magnitude of vector b cross a2 minus a1 whole divided by what? Magnitude of vector b. This is your equation 1. I hope it is clear for you. So understood? So many of the students will write this as dot. It is not dot, dear students. It's a cross product. Vector b cross a2 minus a1 divided by magnitude of vector b. So now vector b cross a2 minus a1 I will find. Cross product means you know that this is not into. This is a cross product. Cross product means we can write in a determinant, dear students, I cap, j cap, k cap. And vector b is what? Vector b is given 2, 3, 6. Again, because vector b is front, that's why we have to write that number. 2, 3, 6. And a2 minus a1 is what? a2 minus a1 is what? 2, 1, minus 1. Clear? So you can expand this. Expand r1. So what you will get? I cap bracket. First we will do first column. 3 into minus 1. Minus 3 you write minus 1 into 6, 6 dear students. Minus j cap you write. First value, second column. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus you write. 2 into 6, 12. Clear up? So now plus k cap. Plus k cap I will write. So how much you will get? See. First row in last column. 2 1 ja 2. You write minus here. 2 into 3, 6. How much you will get? You see. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Minus 9 I cap. Minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14 now. Minus into minus plus 14 j cap. 2 minus 6 is how much? 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 into k is minus 4 k cap dear students. I hope it is clear. This is nothing but what? Vector b cross a2 minus a1. Here I have to find magnitude. Outside is magnitude is there. So magnitude you can find magnitude of vector b cross a2 minus a1. Magnitude how we will find? You know that square root of x is what? Minus 9. Minus 9 square plus y is what? 14. 14 square. Z is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 square dear students. So how much you will get? 9 square 81. 14 square 196. And 4 square is 16. So if you add them all, you will get 293 dear students. Square root of 293. I hope you have copied this one. I will erase. So this is square root of 293. Therefore, we will substitute these values in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, what it will become? See, that is d is equal to magnitude of b cross a2 minus a1 is what? Magnitude of b cross a2 minus a1 is square root of 293. Square root of 293 we can write divided by magnitude of b. Magnitude of b is how much? 7 or not? 7 units. This is our required answer dear students. I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding, you know that what I will ask from you. So only I need like and subscribe from your side. This is totally free of cost dear students. Please support me also to like and subscribe it. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.